Hello over there at Costa Verde Landscape Inc. Thanks for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. We really do appreciate it. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO. And yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. In this video, I'll be showing you what you have going on your background on the website of your website and your competitors. So we'll compare the two. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we could further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website. Currently, I did notice it's not secured. It's not a good sign. It's a quick fix though. It's just renewing your SSL certification. But overall, it's fairly good. The navigation is smooth. The colors are simple, light in the eyes. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, though, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. An example would be having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol. That pretty much hurts your website. What I mean by keyword, or more specifically, by your intent, keywords is to have those good keywords. For example, landscaping, Riverside, California, somewhere around your area where you offer your services, in your case, Santa Ana, California. That's what you want to have going on your content there. That's what you want to, pretty much include so that the correct people would, like to buy those services, find you in the first page of Google. Let's jump into arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool, of course. You can go onto the website arrows, type in your URL here. This is what you currently have going in your background. Looks like in a monthly you're getting about 11 people jumping into your website. Organic keywords 70, again with the keywords, that's very important. Referring domains 45, backlinks 99. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. This little section here. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though, not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website. Backlinks would be your URL level here. So you currently have 99 backlinks, but it's not giving you any power, unfortunately. You got to get those good qualities. You need to get those good quality backlinks to boost up your website. The third thing, a citation, which is a DR meter here. You currently have 1.4. A citation is essentially your company's name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their service. That is what a citation is. And again, that would be your DR meter here. Currently not getting a lot of power behind it. Should be around 45. If not, they're scattered within these referring domains. But overall, this is what you have going on your website. The ranking is like a smooth, it's like a smooth rank. However, looks like in July you dropped. But anyway, this is a little bit, I could go on and on in regards to this rank here. But yeah, this is what we do here. We can improve this if you like. However, let's compare your one of your competitors, which is Bill and Dave's Landscape Maintenance Company around your area in Santa Ana. So this is their website here. They don't seem to have that 1,500 minimum of content. What they have going on in the background though, organic keywords, like they have 303. Organic traffic monthly, they have around 248 people jumping into the website, which is just fairly good. Why not, right? Who doesn't want to see this? Referring domain 56, backlinks 202. So they are getting a little bit of power with the backlinks. They have good qualities. The DR, they don't have much going for them. Just so you know, the UR and the DR, you want to keep this at a 1-to-1 ratio. That's just good practice inside of Google. That's what they like to see. That's how you bump up your website to the first page of Google. Just a heads up on that. So that's pretty much what they have, your competitors. I don't see this difficult to beat. You can do it, just be very careful if you want to do it on your own. But overall, your website is fairly good. All right, finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citation, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads. And just be careful again with the keywords. Having incorrect keywords, if I'm in California, for example, and I'm searching for the services in my area, but your company is on the other, side of the state or the country, I'm sorry. So that would pretty much hurt your website. It's really, no point on that. It's just a waste of time, waste of energy. Just be careful. So hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. This is what we do as part of the Boundless SEO. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information and have any questions at all, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.